Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for kids who are digging in their diapers and maybe removing any kind of a fecal matter. So this is one video in a large playlist. This is a very challenging behavior to manage because it involves just a variety of different strategies, and one may be more successful than another. So please look through this full playlist to see what works as you may be rotating strategies. Now, one trick for blocking involves putting the pants under the onesie, okay? So you put on the diaper, then you put on the pants, then the onesie, okay? So the pants under the onesie trick can be very useful for kids. It's a dressing strategy. So if you haven't tried that one, give it a try and see if this one is successful.
You're a drive real slow.